Marshal.
No, in writing. In writing. Hindi na ako pupunta doon because I can do it in writing. I have to go home. Remember, 48 hours. So, ang dokumento, ang problema, naiwan sa hotel doon sa yung proclamation na pinirmahan ko, naiwan doon sa hotel. So, balikan pa namin yun din. It's there. It's there. You go to the Defense Secretary. Nakakatawa to eh. It was really funny. Ito yung proclamation. Anong numero ito? Ewan ko. Basta may perma ako declaring martial law. Look at what is really the irony of life. So I sign it. And I said, done in the Russian Federation. This is the place I was there. So I cannot, done in the city of Manila, Philippines. Nandun ako. But declaring martial law, tinawagan ko muna si Guevara, si Secretary Guevara. Sabi ko, i-announce mo na. Kaya napirmahan ko na yan. But done in the Russian Federation this 23rd day of May in the year of our Lord 2007. I have to go to Japan. The plane is very expensive. I look for another cheaper way of going there. Napuno na. But this will be my last. I won't travel anymore after this. Pagod na talaga ako. I said, tagal na ako. But the last is Japan. And if I sign anything there for the execution of somebody, I will say, done in Japan, this 7th day of June,